I am the emerging assistant, or I'm the assistant director. That is what my role is. At one point it was an emerging director, but I think now that I've worked out it means assistant director. As Mark is in the show, or has quite a large part in the show, that also means that sometimes I get to be the director, because I get to look at it from that same stance when he is in it, which is sort of a pretty valuable experience, I think.
So there's been 3 weeks of rehearsal. So if you could just kind of like sum up week 1, week 2, week 3, as in the difference between the development.
Okay, week 1, meet and greet, people getting to know each other, starting to chuck ideas around, chuck palettes around, chuck dances around. Week 2, less of the chucking, more of the precise choreography, starting to whittle things down, getting a real idea of what's going on. By the end of week 2, people feeling pretty good, because obviously it is quite a fragmented piece. Lots of different bits come together in this beautiful way. Getting onto the site, most important thing when it comes to this kind of work, as even though lots of things are the same, everything changes. Everyone's working in a different space, the way everyone moves, the way everyone feels, how cold you are, how comfortable you are, how dwarfed you are, all changes, and so it sort of starts. It maybe breathes a bit of life into something that you've been doing for 2 weeks.
So how does your development with the actors change from week 2 to week 3?
I don't know really. That's difficult to say. I think everyone's getting a lot more comfortable in the work that they're putting on. Obviously, on a really technical sort of basis, everyone's learnt their words, so that things are starting to come naturally. We start to find things that we can pull out from the text, and they're starting to find so much of that themselves. And then when you get to the space like this in week 3, which it is now, I think, week 3. They start making all these connections in their heads, all these things of, oh, this is here and this looks good, and why don't I play it slightly different like this? And you go, yeah, yes, because they're there, because they've got it. They've got that idea in their head of who they are and what they're doing.
So I guess in week 3 it's less you helping them tease out the characters, it's more you letting them develop their own. Totally.
I think they've really got a sense of what they're doing now at this point, and sort of also who they're doing it for. So you just sort of wind them up and let them fly. Now we have to wind up the tech so that it flies on the day.
Yeah. Well, as you've got to head back in now, 2 breaks over, if you could just sum up the show really briefly, encourage people to buy tickets, what would you say to them? 150
is not a play. 150 is a production, a theatrical production about an incredibly epic and amazingly unknown story of people's triumph against remarkable odds and remarkable sort of lies, and as a result there are people who still on the other side of the world speak a very, very small language and belong to a very, very small but important culture.